purchased a property in Miami, there's only two reasons why you did that. Number one, you're looking for an exit point, for a large exit point of say $300,000 to about $800,000 after a number of years of an amortization event. I get it. Or it's just an ego trip. Ooh, I got a property in Miami, right? Cool. Hey, but I'm about making money. If you're about making money, let me get a hell yeah. I'm gonna repeat myself. If you're about making some bread, let me get a hell yeah. Look, what I'm about to share with you today could be astonishing. Okay, so let's dive into it. The purchase price for the property. Let me fix something here because this whiteboard rolls around everywhere. So, and I'm about to get a digital whiteboard in a couple months. It takes like a couple weeks. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be fire, right? So look, the purchase price for the property was $790,000. Can you guys see that? $790,000, okay? And to get this property, you're gonna need to make some good income, number one. And say that they put 25% down. Plus you have closing costs and everything else, and there's all this other stuff that come into play when purchasing a property. I don't need to go in detail. But hey, let's just round it to 25% of that is $200,000. Okay? $200,000 investment for this property right here. All right? $200,000. And they're all excited. Hey, it's B&B friendly. Right? Hey, did you call your familia, right? Hey, ring them up. Tu primos, tu primas, todo gente en Puerto Rico, me dijo, ¿verdad? All right, look, this is the way to do it the right way. So look, they spent $200,000 down. In a Miami property, the average return on investment, I have friends who have properties in Miami, okay? And they make an average of about $3,000 to $3,500 after all expenses per rental, okay? So we're gonna cut it down the middle and say that he makes about $3,250. To be fair, that's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, okay? 2-bed, 2-bath. All right, listen to me, keep up with me, okay? This is gonna make sense in a minute. So they're making an average return on investment of $3,250 every single month. That's after the cleaners, communication, rent, deposit, and mortgage, okay? And taxes, etc. Go down the list. They make about $3,200 after everything, which is a pretty good return on Airbnb, right? So now let's divide that $3,250 right here by $200,000. Do some math for yourself. I know you're probably on your phone or something. Do some quick math. How many months will it take him to recoup this original $200K? Don't try. I already have it here. I'm not a big mathematician, but it's 61 and a half months. Okay? 61 and a half months to get his return on investment. In 5 years, I'll be 41 years old. Hopefully, I have a Cristiano Ronaldo body by then. All right? So look, 61 and a half months. All right? That's 5 years. 5 years to get your money back, gang. 5 years. I don't want to wait 5 years to make my money back. Okay? I don't want to wait no 5. Do you want to wait? Let me ask you a question. This is an engagement thing. Who right now watching my live wants to get their money back in 5 years? Okay, I'll probably forget about it and I'll become uninterested by then. It'll get bored, right? 5 years to make your bread back. That is the dumbest investment ever if it is, okay? I know he's watching, all right? Look, let me express why. And I'm going to get you on my live if you're here, okay, hermano? Look, 5 years to get an ROI, okay? Return on investment of that original $200K. You're making a $3,250 return on investment, net profit. 61 and a half months, that's 5 years to make a return on investment. Let me show you the smart way. This is what to avoid right here. I have a black marker, okay? This is what you avoid. This is not how you start an Airbnb business, okay? Avoid this at all costs. Do not purchase a property to do Airbnb. That is dumb, okay? Do not do that, okay? Unless you get it for a killer deal or something. But that's few and far between. Look, so we're at the same $200,000. Now let's rock with me. This is the new way. This is the new rich. You ready? Boom, let's party. Who's with me? Yee, pop the balloons. Everybody has the arroz con pollo in Puerto Rico. Look, the new rich. The same $200,000 investment. Kick it with me real quick, gang. I want the chair in the way because I want you guys to see this. Look, the same $200,000. Peak game. Look, $200,000. I'm getting to you. This is, you see my excitement. For $200,000, let's play fair, okay? Let's play fair. For the same 2-bedroom, 2-bath, not in Miami, I'm going to go to Tampa. I'm going to go to Jacksonville. I'm going to go to Orlando. And guess what? They have good promising numbers there. I have a mentee right now that has over 48 properties there. Dude makes like almost $100K a month. Boom, right? And he started with some money though, but that's not the case. Look, $200,000, same place, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, in Florida, because he's in Miami. They're in Miami. Ooh, right, party. Ladies everywhere, right? I'm about getting red, eh? Look, in Florida, you can get 40 properties, right? How can you get 40 properties? The average 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Florida is about $2,500. Deposits and rents, times it times 2, it's $5,000 to get in the door. All right? $200,000 divided by 5,000 is 40, gang. 40 properties, gang. Yeah. You already know where I'm getting at. Come on, somebody throw some balloons on there. Woo, it's a fiesta, right? Chris Thomas is killing it. Look, $200,000, $5,000 getting to the property. By rental arbitrage, which means you're leasing and you're listing the property. Do you understand me? Look, for $200,000, you can get into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath for $5,000. By leasing and listing the property, you lease the agreement, you have the authorization that you're going to sublease the agreement, and you're going to put it on Airbnb and vacation rental sites. If you need help with that, hit my DM. You can get 40 properties. Those 40 properties, let's play fair. They're making $3,250. Let's slice it down the middle. The average for a property in the areas that I've expressed, like Florida, Tampa, and etc., go down the list, is an average about $1,500 to $1,900 per month. We're going to slice it down the middle and say $1,700, which pretty much is half of that. Okay? $1,700 times 40 properties, gang. Oh my gosh. Can we do the math real quick? 1,700 times 40 properties, gang. $68,000 a month. Right? I make that in 3 days, but $68,000. Look, a month after all expenses. That's rents, that's deposits, that's after the cleaners, that's after the lights, the gas, the Wi-Fi, everything, the smiles, the cheers, the laughter. You're making it $68K. Return on investment every single month for those 40 properties. 40 props, okay? Let me put here. Am I losing you? Look, $68,000. Now you're staying with me. Hang out with me. Look, for that $200,000 return on investment, this is where it gets exciting. So we're in the hole, $200K. Negative $200K. If you're watching this, whoever bought that property in Miami, this is very important to your family. Listen to me. You can get this return on investment within when, gang? 200,000 divided by 68,000 is roughly around 3 months. Boom. Mistakes to avoid. This is why mentorship is key in life. Okay? Some guy out there convinced this guy, you can get it on Airbnb. Yeah, get your money in 5 years. Boom. That's boring, right? This is not good. Okay?